How's it going, guys? Indiana John here. Tonight I'm going to be doing hopefully a quick unboxing. That was close. This is not a new knife, but new handles for a knife that I've had for actually like a week longer than I've had my channel. Let's see. And I think y'all can probably guess from that it is my green premium rep, which is no longer green. This is a Squid Industries Kraken, by the way. Sure. Okay, there's my original parts and hardware and stuff. Right. So Casey was saying that this is the fastest turnaround that he's ever had on something like this. Because I mailed it out last Monday, and then he mailed it this past Monday. Today's Wednesday. Cool. He also said it's the loudest. Yeah. Oh, that sounds cool. Neat. Yeah, so he wasn't terribly happy with how the channel spacers turned out. So he ended up not charging me for that, which was pretty cool. One of them was kind of loud, sort of zipping against the Zen pin. So he messaged me about it, and we were chatting and stuff, and he said, he was like, he kind of liked the noise. And I was like, yeah, that's pretty cool. You can do that with the other one and, make it sound even, so I think they both sound pretty close. And he touched up the edge for me, which was very, very generous of him. There were some pretty good size chunks in there. That looks pretty good, actually. Nice. And he offered to retip it, but I would just, it wouldn't last very long. Cool. A little bit of tap, but that's all good. I was thinking about unboxing with this blade right here, but I didn't want to spend a few minutes getting it out of the box. This is actually one of his reblades that he tried doing quite a while ago. Got some random stuff laying around. Anyways, fun knife. Definitely recommend doing business with him. He is a really cool, down-to-earth guy, and he did a fantastic job. Really digging him, man. Thanks a ton. Have a good one, guys.